Barbie for test update. Yung post ni Tony. And for 9 yung basic ni Barbie. And your beauty work straight from the camera. Ayan, ang ganda ni Barbie, oh. Yung close up talaga, eh. So, ito pa yung post ni Mami Ami, ni Barbie. Yung back to work. Ang ganda ng bahay nila Barbie, oh. Ayan, lumabas na si Barbie. Ayan yung outfit niya. And during event ng Blackwater. Kung saan, ayan pa yung service ni Barbie. Ayan, laki ng garahe nila, eh. Sipag ni Barbie. Kaya mandar na yung van. Kaya yung performance ni Barbie dyan sa Blackwater. Kinanta niya yung favorite niya, Espresso. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.